Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So since summers has started, I've been seeing a lot of users complaining about OnePlus phones lagging and some complaints about battery drain issues. Well, it's not entirely your phone's fault. Some hidden settings in OxygenOS 15 might be holding it back. In this video, I'll show you guys 6 simple tricks that will instantly make your phone faster, it won't even heat much, and you'll also get good battery backup. It doesn't require any root, no third-party application, just few settings to be changed in OxygenOS 15. So now before talking about those settings, guys, we have somewhere around 84% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Okay, so here I'll be using my OnePlus 12 which is running on the latest build of OxygenOS 15. And there's one feature which we haven't received yet on OnePlus 12. I'll talk about that also. So the first setting is layer 2 virtual RAM. And guys, I've already tested it in full video on the OnePlus 12 with 12 plus 12 GB virtual RAM. And guess what? On papers, it looks great, like 24 GB in total, but in real usage, it barely makes a difference. Even the basic apps like camera, calculator still reloaded when we had enabled the virtual RAM feature. App launching time was exactly same. And in some scenarios, RAM retention was even worse with a virtual RAM on. So if you are rocking 8GB or 12GB physical RAM, virtual RAM won't magically boost your speed. It's just a storage pretending to be RAM. So first thing I would recommend, make sure you disable virtual RAM feature on your device. It won't benefit you guys in any of the way. And if you guys even enable virtual RAM, there are possibilities that you might see bit extra drain of your battery and slight lag while using your device. So make sure you disable virtual RAM feature on your device. And since we have got the OxygenOS 15, animation plays a major role. And guys, the animation what are present on OnePlus smartphones after the update of OxygenOS 15, they are actually heavy and they do drain your battery. And reducing the animations can also help you save little battery, also can avoid overheating of the device in summers. I would say there are few settings which you can change. Like first one is in the launcher. So if you go to the launcher, make sure animation effect have been set to standard instead of enhanced. See, animations do play a major role and I know some users might say, then why should we even buy a OnePlus smartphone? So guys, these are the temporary settings which you can use in the summers. So one animation change can be done from here. After this, you can still make changes in the animation by going to developer settings. So if you haven't enabled developer settings, just go to the about section, version, tap on the version 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, go to system and update, developer options and scroll all the way down where you see these animation options. So here you can make slight changes. Instead of completely turning them off, you can keep the animation scale to 0.5x and make these changes in all these 3 options like window animation scale, transition animation scale, animation duration scale. And once you do that, your device will feel lightning fast. Here you can see side-by-side comparison with animation scale set to 0.5x with that of 1x. Reducing animation scale will also reduce the GPU strain and also the heat. And after that, you can also make few changes in the phone manager application. So this application was introduced recently on OxygenOS 15 and trust me guys, it's a very useful application. This lets you clean up junk file. Most of the times, caches build up in the background and using this application, you can delete them by a single click. Once you go to the cleanup section, you have a pop-up to add this cleanup widget on the home screen. Make sure you add it. Like here you can see I have added. So if I have placed this widget on the home screen, with a single click, I can wipe the entire caches and my phone will perform a lot better after that. There are few more things what you can do. One of them is the system boost. This widget can also be added on the home screen. So with a single click, you can boost the entire system and it will close all the applications running in the background. You also get an option of app cleaner. So if you face any issues with any of the applications like it is taking longer time to load, you can just go to the app clean section and select that particular application and with a single click, you can clear the caches of that particular app. So OnePlus have bundled everything here inside the My Phone Manager and it's a very useful application. You also have the deep cleanup feature and this can be used when your phone starts feeling heavy. And the next thing is app-wise battery optimization. There are few applications which always runs in the background, even if you haven't logged them. Avoid those applications, you can just go to the settings, battery, power saving mode, and towards the bottom side we have app battery management. And from here, if you see applications like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat runs in the background all the time, you can just select that particular application. In my case, I'll just select Facebook and from here I will make sure it's set to auto optimize. Here the device will automatically optimize the power usage when the apps are draining the battery in the background. So again, a very useful feature, and most of us don't use it. Also, if you are one who use few applications like Instagram, Twitter, and you don't want them to get closed, you can just go to the launcher settings, manage apps, and from here you can select max 10 applications, and I'm sure no one must be using more than 10 applications on regular basis. So whichever applications you use the most, you can just lock them, and those applications won't reload and perform better when you open them again. And talking about the gaming, like if you're the one who plays a lot of game, during a gaming session, you can enable the high performance mode. But also one thing you need to remember, with the high performance mode, your device will heat up, but there's one feature which is yet to be added on OnePlus 12. They have recently added on OnePlus 13 called bypass charging. We already have that video planned, and I wasn't able to finish because recently OnePlus rolled out Android 16 Beta 3. So I was testing that thing, but now I've downgraded back to OxygenOS 15, and by tomorrow I'll give you guys a video of bypass charging feature. Basically, bypass charging feature directly powers your phone without charging the battery during heavy usage. So your phone stays cooler, battery health stays intact, and your performance doesn't throttle due to heat. And I'm sure this feature will be really helpful for gamers to get the best gaming experience on OnePlus smartphones. Along with that, not much impact to the battery section also. So guys, these are some of the settings which you can change on OxygenOS 15 and enjoy smoother performance, better battery, and less heat. Let me know in the comment section below which trick helped you most, and if you have got your own hidden trick, share it with the TechiBee family below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.